capture so that all the months will be captured. So let's make this white. I mean this the axis, the values in the axis, in this y-axis, in the y-axis, let's make it white. We just come here, go to font. Okay. Before we do that, though I'm still going to make it white. Let's make it white. Font white. Then these two, we select this and make it white. Then let's remove this background. Let's unfill it. This white background, let's remove it so that we have the background of this. To have this gray background. So all we need to do is to select the shape as usual. Let's be careful not to select this, but this, just this alone, not with this, just this alone. Then we come here with this selected, we click on, we go to format, shape fill, we don't want any fill. There's an outline here. Shape outline, we don't want any outline, so here we have it. Then let's look for a way to change this color. We have two different colors here, red and yellow, so that it will blend with what we've been. Sorry, let me try and show ribbon here. Oh, it showed. Yeah. So let's select not this, let's select the data series itself. We can actually double click, on selecting, double click, or on selecting, we right click, then we go to format data series. So you can choose either of the two methods, So no, not this. I need to move something. Okay. Then, sorry, let me do that again. With this selected, it's okay. Then the color, this color, I want to change this color to something close to this. Let's try this and see. Okay, how do we see this? Should we go with this? Hello?
I think so. The font color though, the font color on it, we can change it to something darker so that it's more obvious.
Oh, which one?
The font of the profit margin, 17%.
The profit margin. Okay, yes. I even intend to make the column wider.
Okay.
I even so that it will be very clear, So if we say this color combination is all right, then let's format this itself, the column itself, with this selected again, format data series, the gap width. Let's use something like 20%. Okay, I think it makes more sense like this. It's wider, so then we can change like Star David suggested earlier, we can change okay, let me make this bold. No, the values in the axis, the X and Y axis, let's make it bold. This is white, let's make it bold. This bold as well. Okay. Then the values, if you want to change this data label, just need to select them. No. I don't know what color we can use. What do you suggest, Ma? What colors did you suggest?
Should we use the gray background, if it will come out?
This is gray
no,
background. It's not coming out.
It's not coming. What of black?
Black. Okay, this is black. Are we cool with black?
Let's talk, I beg. Is it more obvious, more more
Okay,
visible.
then okay, yes. I think then one thing we can do is again is we can actually bring it from what's it from the center to the top. Let's see how okay if we retain white, if we
Oh,
retain white and we bring it,
yeah,
we come here and the data label we bring it from here to outside end here. How do we see that?
far better, far better.
Okay, okay, okay. So then all we need to do is, I think we should change the color for a reason so that here, okay, let's change the color. So let's change the color. Let's look for something, no. I'm trying different, just trying different combinations of color. You know, I don't know which one will. Should we stick with this? Or should we just stay with white? Maybe we should stay with white. And let's see, okay.
Yeah, I prefer the white because it's excuse me.
Okay.
It goes
Okay.
with all the other whites that are.
Okay. And okay, all right, man. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. I think we have something here that we have almost lost. The legend. It's just somewhere here. I think we need to move it. There's a legend here. The legend. Let's move it to the top. Yeah, and let's change the font color to white as well. Yes. We almost lost it there, you know. Yes, I think it's making sense now. Let's bring in the check boxes now. Starting with the sales checkbox, just right click, copy. We come to the dashboard, we paste it. Here we have it. Drag it to here. And since this is for sales, the sales is green. I think we should look for a way to make this have a color that's okay. Let's change this to white. Oh, the text itself is that we can no, not I didn't say you should filter. Okay, let's edit this checkbox. I've right clicked the checkbox. I'm in format control. Color size. No. Let's see it. Color. Let's fill it with the color that is what's it called? That's associated with sales. I think it's this color. No, I don't want to. I'm looking for the color here. I don't want to. Okay, let's do this. Sorry. I want to get this color code. Okay, this is the color code. Control C. I'm back here. I'm here. Format, color. I'm going to more colors. Then I choose custom. Control V. He doesn't want that. Why? This okay is grayed out. He wants standard color. Oh, okay. Okay now. Oh, okay. I just want to reduce the size, you know. I'll drag it somewhere here because we need to make space for the monthly icon. So, okay. So what do we think about this? Hello? Hello? It's like I'm alone, no?
No, I think it looks nice. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so for the profit, so let's do for the profit. Come here. Copy with right click, copy, go to dashboard, left right click, paste, then bring the guy here. With this selected, we right click, format control, color, we want to fill. Something close to it should be this. Okay. I'll make it, I'll stretch it and make it narrow. Then I can align it with this one, you know, and I'll check the boss. Okay, that's for profit. So anyone saying, okay, this is for sales, this is for profit. Then the one for the profit margin, I'll just go to so we know, so just for this, this checkbox is for sales and all, go to where again, sheet. Sorry. Right click, go to copy, come to dashboard, right click, paste, drag it here, then right click with this selected, right click again, format control, then we are using white color. Okay, where is white? Okay, white. Okay, then we can stretch this, make it narrow. We can actually size all this, make them have equal width. Like, let's check the width of this now. This size. Let's check with this. We right click on this. We right click and go to shape format. Can see that the width is 1.3. No, the height is 0.45 centimeter. The here is the width. No, the width of it is 0.45 centimeters. You can come here, right click on this and make it 0.45 as well, just to have that uniformity, 0.45, come here, right click on this, change this to 0.45 with 0.45. That's it. So the length varies, So we are not having equal length for each and every for the three checkboxes. Oh, come on, not this. Should be right click. Moving the checkboxes. For you to highlight this checkbox, you have to right click. Unlike other shapes that you just do a left click and go. You have to right click, then unselect it, then move it. So I think it's coming together, So it's coming together. So we have this. So all we need to bring now is just so this checkbox is for profit margin. So this for profit and this for sales. Then we need to bring in let's check what's it called? Come on. Let's check the monthly, this icon. Where do we have it? I have to zoom out again. Monthly icon. We wanted to use this, if I'm right. I think what we said we are going to use this. So let's copy, Control C, come here, Control V. Here we have it. We need it very small. So we can use one by one, but we can adjust the size, Here we have it. Then with this selected, we go to graphic format. We've been using white graphic field, so let's just stick with white. That's it. Then just name this monthly. Let's bring our test box I've always thought we should be to copy a text box. This is Control. Let me see. Control D. Control C. Control V. No, it's not doing it. Let's make our text box. So to read text box, you go to insert here, text box. No, just bring it here. We might still need to move these ones to the right just to make space. Monthly. Okay. Sorry. Right click, uncheck, move it. Right click, unselect, or just click on the empty space. Move this. Right click, click on empty space, drag it. Okay. Then we can drag this and name it monthly. Monthly. Let's reduce the font size to, let's say, 8. Good. 8. Let's commit. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Let's copy this format using format painter. Come here, select this format painter, then highlight everything. Okay, then we reduce the font size now. Because of the color, I'm not sure of what the color is, so I didn't want to start looking for what the color is, you know. So let's select everything again. 8. Good. Let's make it bold. Okay, it's bold already. It's bold already. Let's increase it to 10 to make it. So I think here we have it for this monthly. Okay, so if we select now, if we want to check, we only want to check the sales value. So we unselect these two boxes, and these are our sales value. Only sales value. You know, that's why, now that's why, if you remember in our formula, we reference in the checkbox. In the checkbox, when we are creating the checkboxes, where is it? Here, when we are creating checkboxes, let's right click and go to format. We are saying that we referenced in the control, we referenced the sheet 2, So because this sheet 2 is where the configuration was done. So whatever we are doing here, look here, we have unselected these two. If you come here, the same thing has happened. Because if you do not reference that sheet 2, it will not work here. It will not work here because it will only be if you had only used like I explained the other day, if you had only used in the control, we have only used G9, cell G9, because this thing is in cell G9. If you had only quoted cell G9 in the formula, it will be using cell G9 here in this worksheet, not the cell G9, and there's no formula in cell G9 here that is linked, to this to this chart, so it won't work. So if you want sales alone, please sales alone. If you want just a profit alone, which is not possible, I don't think so, because the profit without sales, you can't get profit, So that's how it gets. We don't have any value, and without sales and profit, we don't have any profit margin, no value. So that's why you have value for sales while others are not checked. So I think that does it for this. So let's see if we can quickly see how far we can go with this other one. Which one is it? Let's see. Where are you? Okay, the bar chart. Even if you can't finish it, let's start. So we come here, Control C, select, go here, Control V, paste. We reduce the size. No. Okay. Expand this a bit. Make this wider. Shift this. Bring this down. We don't need sum of total sales. I don't think we'll be needing this because we don't have it there, yes. So we can just select this, delete it to make space. Bring this down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think our formula says display 5 at a time. I think that's why we have 5 here. This is it. Let me zoom in again. The formula here says 5 at a time, and the starting point, I think, is let me come here. I want to expand this, expand everything. It says 20. What? Starting point 20. Let's make it starting point 1. If you put 0, you start from product 1. I hope we still remember the formula we used, you know. So starting from product 1. So these values are like this because of the space, you know. Okay. I might need to move this a bit. I think I'm left with no other option. Oh, what's happening with these values? Okay, maybe I should even, the values are, should we take it to 1 decimal place to the nearest, let's edit this. Let's edit this label. Come here, data labels, more options. To what decimal place now? Values, numbers, yes. Is there where we have decimal place? I'm trying to remember where we have the decimal. Don't know if anyone remembers. Outside end, or should we change the position? I don't know. Should we change the position from outside end somewhere else? We can actually do our editing here. Data labels. No. Come in. Let me see something. I want it uniform. I don't like this editing one after the other, you know. It should be uniform, but let me do this first. Let's see. And use white. Because once I do this, you can't select everything at once again. That's the problem of doing. If I edit one after the other, I won't be able to select them at a go. So I want to be able to select everything at once. So let's look for a better solution. Okay. Home. See the values now. Formula. Is it formula now? Okay, I think I still have to come back here. I still have to come back to more options. I'm trying to separator, not this. I'm trying to, what's it called? To make it like to the nearest 1,000. I don't know if anyone can help out now. I can't think clearly. To the nearest 1,000 now. I can't think clearly. Okay.
I think this is where you are there already.
Okay.
I think so. Where you have number, normally
Okay.
with the way you format and you do custom format, isn't it? Somewhere.
Okay. So that to decimal place now is giving me 2. Should I make it 1 decimal place or no decimal place?
Yeah, let's remove decimal place to make it.
Okay. Oh, I think it's coming together now. Then can we make it white? Is it not showing? Is it not white already? No, I think I'm picking something else. I think I should just use this one.
Yeah.
Let's just use this. Make it white and bold. And we've lost the currency. Lost the currency. The currency is gone.
Where you have number, is there accounting?
Yes, there's accounting.
Or?
Okay, yes.
Okay.
All right, ma. Thank you very much. Okay, so should we leave it in? Or okay, let's remove this back. Let's change this. Okay, let's remove the outline. So with this selected shape format, shape fill, no fill. No, we've done this over and over again. Shape outline, no outline. Let's make this white. So with this selected, let's go to home and make this white. Something is down here, if I'm right. Oh, there's nothing down. Okay, there's nothing underneath.
Nothing.
Okay, so let's take this forward because we have to bring our, then this color is not blending with others. We come here, we right click. No, what am I clicking on? Okay, this, I want to change this color to, I don't want to be using this green again. Okay, let's do this. This color. Let's use gradient fill. Let's try, we click gradient fill, you know. Let's try, so that we just, just to give it another feel, click on gradient fill. For this, how it works, for this, let's start with, you choose the color to start with. This is the starting point. Just click on this. Let's choose something still in the same, let's choose this. Then, you can begin to, let me just try and even understand what I'm trying to do. Come here. Let's change all this. Let me change all this to, then before I can say what I did is right or wrong. This thing takes time. Oh. Especially if you want it to come out nice. Let me see how, let me change this. I know I've done this thing once like that. It's been a while, but I can't really try to remember how it looks like again. There's a way a gradient so that it's gradient fill, Come here. Let me see, I'm coming. It just give it some, you just choose different colors, you have to change this. This can't work again. The white, except want to bring it to the top, want to bring it to the front. Since we've been using white as our label, so we can just select it, come here, the data labels, outside end, let's see. Okay.
That looks good. I said that looks good.
Outside end.
Yeah.
Then bring this back. Then we can make it bold. It's bold already. Make this bold. Select this. Make this bold. So I think the gradient is okay, right?
It is.
I think it's not bad, yes.
Yeah, it is.
What I just did was, with this selected color, click on gradient fill, just play with colors here, put different colors that are similar, I was just choosing colors randomly, shade of orange with yellow. So everything will be mixed together in a gradient and it will come out beautifully, And if it doesn't come out well, we can change the color again until we have something that we want. I think that just is basically. So I think we can. I don't know if we should stop here and continue from here. It's almost this is 7:40. It takes time. I don't know.
It does. It
It takes
does.
time.
Yes.
So,
The finishing parts, like I think it's common to all of the